I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Oh, my iPhone. Hi, I'm Tanner from electronics123.com, and we're going to take a look at how to fix an iPhone screen. Specifically, right now we're looking at an iPhone 3G or 3GS. There's a few things you're going to need. One is the disassembly kit, which comes with screwdrivers and case removal tools that are necessary to disassemble an iPhone. You can get this from our website, and I'll put a link in the description so that you can take a look at that. The other thing you're going to need is a replacement iPhone screen. This particular one is for an iPhone 3GS. There are different screens replacements for different models of the iPhone. So check those out. I know currently we carry the iPhone 4 and iPhone 4S screens, so take a look at those as well. Okay, first thing you're going to need to do is take your iPhone and the Phillips head screwdriver from the toolkit. It's available on our website. There are two Phillips screws on the bottom of the iPhone, here and here. We'll need to remove those. Also in the toolkit is this screw layout holder, which can hold the screws for you. So these two go in the bottom here. Using an X-Acto knife, carefully go around the edge of the iPhone to break the seal on the screen. Using the case opener tool at the bottom of the iPhone, press it in and lift up on the screen. The screen should lift off. Be careful though not to remove the top, the front where the cable connections are. Using the smaller case opener tool, you can remove the cables by lifting the screen to expose cables 1 and 2. Here and here. Carefully pry those off. You can then remove the iPhone. Whoops, forgot about the third one right here. This one has a little lever that you have to lift up there. Then you can pull it free. Now take the new iPhone screen and we'll reassemble it in reverse. Replace the connectors in the order that you took them out. You may need a pair of tweezers to help. Once all the connectors are back in place, you can carefully close the iPhone screen back down, making sure that you don't get any of the cables caught. Just make sure that it seats all in the right place. After everything's pressed back in place, you're ready to reinsert the screws on the bottom. remove the screen protector, and your new iPhone screen is installed.